Hello, we're here at Cannon Hall today to look at this log, which is part of our crowdfunding scheme. We're trying to get some funding together so that we can turn this log, which looks a little bit boring at the moment, into something really interesting. Now you need to use your imagination and think to yourself, what could this log possibly be? Could it be a gargoyle? Could it be a monster? Could that be an eye? Who knows? Use your imagination and think to yourself, what could this log possibly be? I think I can see a crocodile there, but who knows? You could think of anything else. It could be a wolf, a dragon, breathing fire. Could that be the fire? I don't know. Your donations will help us decide and help us to create something wonderful at this bit of a boring spot. What's this? Could be something really interesting. Could it be a house? Could it be a volcano? What could it be? I think I found a door. Definitely a door. Could be something living down there, deep, deep, deep inside the earth. Could be windows. Could be a roof. Who knows? Anything could be living in there. Fairies, gargoyles, elves. Who knows? You can decide for yourself. Make up your own mind. Be part of this crowdfunding. You could be involved and decide what this log will eventually be. Part of our discovery. Part of Cannon Hall's future.